Okay, and the next section we're going to do is the notes on the stave itself. So as you can see, there are 5 lines and 4 spaces. So one way I was always taught this, in order to remember the names of the lines, or the letters of the lines, we use a little thing called a mnemonic, and it's every good boy deserves football. So we'd just take the first letter of each word, and that would give us the notes of the lines. So we've got E, G, B, D, and then at the top is F. So they're the notes of the lines. Every good boy deserves football. E, G, B, D, F. The spaces, there's only 4 spaces, and this is quite convenient that the spaces themselves spell the word face. So if you just know from bottom to top, so from the bottom space to the top space is just spelling face in order. F-A-C-E. The only 2 that stand out as a beginner pianist will be these 2 notes here, as they don't appear in these little poems to remember. So you just have to know that middle C sits underneath the line, and it's a circle with a line through it. So that's one way I was always taught, and it's always stood me in good stead. And then the D just comes up in order, and then you can start from E for every other note. So if you just remember that C and D are kind of the odd ones out, they sit off the stave. So they're 2 that always catch people out at first. But every other note that you'll need for a good while when learning beginners piano music or folk tunes or nursery rhymes is probably going to all be around this area on the keyboard. There's obviously a further extension of the keyboard, but we'll come to that later on. And in the bass clef lesson, I'll show you how to work out the notes of the left hand as well, and the bass part of the piano. So I hope that helps. If you get stuck, please leave me a comment or give me a shout. Thank you very much.